and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm back at it with another nail vlog. As you can hear, I'm a little bit sick. It's just been really crazy. So if you're interested to see how I get my nails done for the very last time, I think, in Grand Rapids, then please keep watching. And just a shout out to my nail tech, Nick. I've been going to him since I've been here in Grand Rapids. So just a shout out to him if you are ever in the Grand Rapids. As I was saying, I'm sorry, my dad called. So here are my before nails, very ugly, boring, bland, boring lashes, and we're gonna make them into something cute. So here's what Nail Lounge and Spa looks like in Grand Rapids, Michigan. There's a ton of tables, so you can definitely just walk in and get your nails done. And the first thing I do when I go to a nail salon is pick my nail color. And when you get extension nails like I do, the first thing you do is buff the nail plate, and then you glue on an extension nail tip. And I wanted to mention my watch, which is from MVMT. I love their watches. You can get $15 off with the code Inmyseams15. And I'm planning to do a giveaway with them when I hit 25,000 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and do so you can get a chance to win the MVMT watches and sunglasses. Anyway, so back to the video. Once you've buffed and blended the nail, we get started on prepping the nail for the dipping powder. This is in Soft Pink Rose by the Paris Dipping Powder Company. And actually my nail tech, I've never done this before, but he accidentally cut my nail too short on this thumb. So he pulled the nail tip off and then reapplied a new nail. So I just wanted to show you what that process looked like as well. It wasn't scary, it didn't hurt. He had to shave off the extension tip and then he cut it again, and now back to the buffing and blending. And now we're going to apply the dipping powder nail primer. This is the same company I used in my last nail tech video that Vivian used, and the technique is a little bit different that he does. He does it in layers, so if you can see, he doesn't coat the entire nail. He actually just coats half and then 3/4 of the nail and then the full nail itself. I asked him why he did this, and he says that it prevents the nail from cracking. It slowly builds more protection over the dipping powder nail. So now he's going in with a full first coat of the dipping powder on the whole entire nail. So if you can see, it goes from my nail, like cuticle, all the way to the tip of my nail. And then we just do the gel, we dip, do the gel, we dip, and that process happens about like 3 or 4 times. I don't remember exactly, but it's not too long. It's just kind of tedious, I guess. And once you've dipped all of your nails into the powder, your nails come out a little bit kind of rough and kind of like how do you say, it's kind of like bumpy. So then we file the new nails with not only a nail file, but he also goes in with a drill. So as you see here, he's just reshaping the nail plate and he's just smoothing it out, making it more like a natural like nail, as you can see. This particular dipping powder has a very pearlescent finish on it, and it was just so beautiful after he did it, created the whole nail. The idea of dipping powder is that the actual nail is the color of the powder. So this is the nail pre-top coat, and now we're just finishing off the nails with the top coat that comes with the dipping powder. And I definitely recommend doing dipping powder nails over acrylic or UV gel nails. It's cheaper than UV gel and more natural looking than acrylic nails. So here's the finished look, and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. So I just got my nails done and I love them. They are super cute, and they're just short, sweet, and classy. Like I didn't want anything too long, and I love the color. I feel like I go for this color a lot. So if you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please go check out Nail Lounge and Spa. It's right here, and it's just like the best nail salon in Grand Rapids. I love my nail technique. I'm gonna miss him so much. I brought him like the little flower and he loved it. But as you can see, it's not like your typical nail salon. It's really upgraded, it's well done, it's elegant. So he spent a lot of money redoing his nail salon, so please go check it out if you're in the area. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!